So hey guys, I am going to cook another pork butt, just one this time. And I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I just took it out of the wrapper and I'm going to assemble all the stuff for the rub, let it sit in the fridge and soak up these spices I'm putting on it. And then tonight it's going into the smoker. I'm going to smoke it all night. All right, so I tried finding molasses and I couldn't. So we're going to use honey and mustard for the binder. We're going to use salt and pepper and this Texas sugar from Meat Church. I've tried this on a few things and I really like it. It's hot and spicy and very flavorful. I'm going to use this onion butter and then just salt and pepper, maybe some honey rub. Let's mix up the binder. That's not going to be enough. I usually use molasses. I went to Walmart and I didn't have a lot of time to shop yesterday. And I could not find molasses, so I bought honey. So I've never tried it with honey. The molasses gives it a great bark. As you can see, I scored the fat cap on this and I'm just doing some trimming on it and we'll get this ready to go. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put the binder on. That's a combination of honey and mustard. I do about a 50-50 mix. And I usually use molasses and it gives a great bark. I'm hoping the honey will do the same thing. And anyway, let's see how she goes. Okay, so I'm starting off with pepper. Remember, these are huge pieces of meat. I put it on liberally, as I do all these spices. And anyway, so after this, I'm going to put on the other spices, but I use the pepper as the base. Okay, now I'm putting on the Texas sugar. I put it a lot on there. And I put a lot of all these spices on because this is just a huge piece of meat. I try to get it into all the nooks and crannies here and make sure that everything's evenly spread out. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator. Okay, I am going to go golfing. This is a weekend, and this is going to sit in here for 5 or 6 hours. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's about 5:30. I'm getting the rec tech put together. I cleaned the grates and put new foil on the drip tray. I just like to keep it clean. I know a lot of people don't bother to do that, but I do. I actually vacuumed out all the ash and that out of the bottom of the burn unit. Okay, this is up to temperature, and we're going to put the butt in here. I am going to cook this with the fat cap up, and I've never done that. We're going to try it this way, and it should turn out really well. So it's 6 o'clock, and I'm putting this in. Then I'm going to let it cook all night on I've got it at 190. Let that absorb some smoke. Okay, through the magic of video, it is 6 o'clock in the morning, or 6:30. So we're going to go check it out, see what's going on with the cook. So I'm going to spritz these. They haven't been spritzed all night. I didn't get up in the middle of the night and spritz them. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to check all the temperature and readjust the temp on the Rectech and get it up so we can get these done by this afternoon. Still pretty dark out there. There's sun's going to be coming up soon, but we're going to get some spritz on this thing. So this is the second spritzing of the morning, and I just use vinegar and water. I like that vinegar because it gives it kind of a bite. So hey guys, it's 9 o'clock, if you can see that, and I've bumped this up to 250, and when it comes up to 170 degrees, I'm going to pull the pork butt, wrap it, and I use I made a sauce. Let's just show you. This is the sauce I made. I used some of this glaze, some W sauce, which, geez, that's good stuff, some soy sauce, and some apple cider vinegar. I want it kind of tangy. And that is going to go on the butt. Let's look at the app. Okay, we're at 172. I wanted it at 170. Perfect. It's coming up to 173. Going to bring that pork butt in here, wrap it, get it ready, and put it back on the Rectech. Okay, here we go. We're putting this sauce on here. My God, this smells good. Unbelievable. And so then this is going to go back on the smoker till we get to 205. At 205, I'll pull it off and let it rest. Okay, 205. Time to pull this puppy. I just use my oven to rest my cooking, my barbecue stuff. It works really well. There's no mess, no fuss, and I think it works just as well as a cooler. I mean, it's an oven for hell's sakes. 204. Hey guys, so I tried to film pulling this out of the oven and chopping it up, but the batteries on my recorder failed. So thanks for watching.